Hey guys, welcome back to the shed. Today I am super stoked because we are going to take this thing out for a proper test drive finally. I ripped it up and down my driveway a little bit and my brakes didn't work very good and it overheated.
We'll let that depressurize and then get back to you.
I think I fixed both of those problems. The brakes not working was just an issue on my part because I'm stupid. It was just my proportioning bias valve was set the wrong way. And then the overheating, I think, was a combination of the belt slipping and my thermostat was maybe stuck. I don't know. I ripped it out and just gutted it. So there's still like a restriction in the housing, but there's no thermostat. So hopefully it'll run for a little while before it boils over. We're just gonna load it on, hook up the truck and trailer, get some gas in it because I have no idea what's in it. Go take you guys for a rip. Should be pretty fun / terrifying. I don't know. It'd be entertaining.
Should probably make sure these are tight. And there's only like 3 out of 5. But that's weight reduction.
It's so light, it's out of air and it's still not flat.
Yeah, 2 psi. It's too wide in the back.
Digging having the beard too gives me something to like stroke while I'm contemplating my possible demise.
It's only 206.
I'm gonna put like 30 bucks in
it. So one of my friends very graciously offered me to use his property. It's got about 30 acres here of just like skidder trails and back roads and dirt roads. So we will throw it off the trailer and warm it up and then go for a drive. It'll be sick. Good angle. I can't fall out now.
Turbos sound awesome. Kind of have to 2-foot drive it. That's okay. Getting a bit hot. It was down to like 18. It has oil pressure, which is better than not. It's not very much. Yeah, it needs a welded diff for sure. It's lame with an open diff. Open diff. I thought it had the G80, like the locker in it, but that's not. Speedo works. I don't look at it much, to be honest, and it makes about 10 pounds of boost. I've seen it go to 10. I don't know what that like squeaking noise was. There was like a squeaking coming from somewhere, and then I just kept hitting it and revving it, and then it stopped. So I assume it's fixed now. The belt has flipped inside out and jumped the pulley. Interesting. So it's still working because it didn't overheat, but it's worn down. Oh, that was a brand new belt too. That was like 20 bucks. Rubber dust everywhere. Oh well, great success. Oh, and my back's hurt. I saw air.
I'm calling in Kyle.
Test run was a success, I think. Hasn't overheated. The oil pressure and everything. It got a little hot and it dropped a little bit down to like 20 pounds when it was hot, but I've seen them go like that before. That engine also probably has 500,000 K on it. The rear suspension's probably the worst thing. It is so soft. It's bottoming out everywhere and I can't really push it on the bumps. You can probably hear it. Front's good. Rear is way too soft. So I need stiffer springs or something. I'm surprised, like everyone's saying a stock Volvo water pump couldn't push all the way up to there and back. It hasn't gone over 150. So there's something proven, I guess. All right, guys. That's it. I think it's back on the trailer now. I'm super stoked with how this thing is working. It's so fun, and like there's things that I have to do, obviously. Like it's got an open diff, which is super lame. That belt flipping around is probably not ideal, so I should probably fix that. But that's all little stuff, really.
The big thing is going to be like tearing it all apart and painting it and doing some body work, figuring out the suspension, because it sucks. You know, really, we're at this point now, and like just having that ability to run and drive it and like keep the motivation is like big for me. So I'm beyond stoked with today. That was a good test drive. And then yeah, I mean, we can put paddle tires on it, take it to the sand dunes. We could do studded tires and go do some frozen lakes. Yeah, I mean, the options are kind of endless, really. But for now, I'm just going to go back in the shop and got some other projects I think I'd like to work on. So we'll maybe look at those next. But until then, thanks for watching and have a good one.